Save more, deal more. Reduce costs, ramp up profits, and process deals faster with connected technologies that help you simplify deals and streamline operation. Deliver a better buying experience for your customers and a connected operation for your staff that increases speed and preserves profitability, powered by Cox Automotive. Dealertrack DMS. Save time and money, up to $48,000 per year, and run your business the way you want with the #1 easiest to use dealer management system in the industry, allowing your team to onboard with ease and reach productivity faster. Dealertrack F&I. Reduce costs and secure up to 83% faster funding that improves both customer satisfaction and creates a streamlined workflow for your team. Dealertrack. Registration and title. Create 35% faster submission of in-state transactions with DMS integration and reduce paperwork and processing time from trade-ins to vehicles sold for customers in any state. Dealertrack Accelerated Title. Drive profits on trades up to 70% faster with Dealertrack's unique trade-in solution that expedites lien and title release and speeds inventory turn with a growing network of active lenders. A connected operation delivers a better experience for your customers and your staff while increasing speed and saving you costs. Dealertrack, part of an ecosystem of retail solutions from the power of Cox Automotive, offers connected solutions for managing your dealership. Save more, deal more. Dealertrack. Secure your demo today.